Alright, what I got today is a part from SmartMoto. If you saw the last video, I did the Servo X-Up Eliminator. This is the same product line. They do a bunch of electronic stuff. This one is actually going to be the Kickstand Eliminator. I'm going to do the full video on that. This is the way it was packaged. Everything that they've got is zip-locked, individually packaged. This is another plug-and-play application for those of you that are going to take your bikes to the racetrack. Want to get rid of the kickstand, don't want to have it on there, don't want the ECU to shut the bike off whenever it realizes that there's nothing plugged in or there's things that malfunction. So this is that piece here, and it's plug and play. I've already got the fairing off of the 2015 Panigale R, so everything is exposed. And that's what we got here. Again, another very well-made part. No external wires. Everything is sealed here. OEM connector. So this is the installation difficulty on this is minuscule. So I'm going to take you down here. And following my cable from the kickstand to here, this is my kickstand switch. So what we will do is we will unplug this. This cord here can get completely removed, which I will cut the zip ties off and do myself. And in place of that, we will be installing this kickstand eliminator switch and then reinserting this back into the motorcycle like so. So that's it for the installation on the kickstand eliminator. Wasn't a whole lot of drama with this one. I'm going to remove this cable, get it out of the way, and for you track/race guys, save a little bit more weight when we delete this thing, because we have track stands and tire warmers and we have no need for a side stand at the racetrack. But again, very simple to do. It's in there. I didn't even have to zip tie anything this time. It's still using the factory hole off the side of the engine case. It moves. It's going to jump, jive, do whatever I want with the motorcycle, and it's going to stay put and do what it's supposed to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start this and check for any light issues and then put this bike in gear with the side stand down, because that's what we're going to be testing for. We don't want the bike to be worried about this piece. We want the bike to know that there's something plugged in here, the kickstand is good, it's up, and the bike can operate as normal. So I'm going to test that out now. Cut that stuff out of it. Yeah. So as you can see, another successful install from SmartMoto-Electronics. This is the second piece I've done. The quality is top notch. The shipping is instantaneous. The communication with these guys has just been spot on. Every time I had a question about the bike, will it work? You know, what's going to happen? They were very knowledgeable. They got back to me right away. I'm going to put a link to the Kickstand Eliminator switch in the description below. Go by and check them out. Go to SmartMoto-Electronics.com. and they should be able to take care of you. They have electronic parts for pretty much every bike out there. So if you need it, if you don't see it, hit them up. There's a good chance they'll be able to get you the parts that you need. But I'm thus far, very impressed. I got one more install to do that I'll get to in the next video. But yeah, if you need anything electronics, this is the space that would go. So I'm gonna go ride this thing, put it back together, get rid of this kickstand, get this thing ready for the racetrack, and I'll catch you on the next one.